Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make the user interface of Dragon Age Origins scale with bigger screen sizes like 1440p and 4K. Let's get right into it. So firstly, we're going to need to quickly download a mod. There will be a link in the description below for the mod, and this mod will allow you to scale the UI to higher resolutions, because by default it doesn't scale beyond 1080p. And when you're on the mod, you're going to want to click on Files, and then you're going to see 3 different files. So, if you've got a 4K monitor, you're going to want to download the 4K resolution file. If you've got a 1440p monitor, you're going to want to download the 2K resolution file. If you've got an ultra-wide 4K monitor, you'll want to download the ultra-wide 4K file. So you're going to need to click on Manual Download for the resolution you want to play Dragon Age Origins on. Also, you will need to be logged into an account on Nexus Mods, so click on Manual Download for one of the files, and then click on Slow Download. Once you've downloaded the file, you're going to need to go to where the file was downloaded. Then you want to right-click, click on Extract All, then click on Extract. Then you'll want to open up the folder and you're going to see a file. Keep this Windows File Explorer and go back to Steam. In Steam, you're going to want to right-click on Dragon Age Origins Ultimate Edition, over here, then go to Manage, then go to Browse Local Files. Then you're going to want to go to the Packages folder, then go to Core, then go to Patch, then you're going to want to delete Patch 003.erf. Now, what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to drag in the patch 003.erf that you downloaded from Nexus Mods. So we're going to drag and drop it into the Dragon Age Origins patch folder. And that's all you need to do. So once you've done that, click play. And I'm playing on a 1440p monitor, but the UI has scaled so it's a reasonable size on this higher resolution. If you go into the inventory, it's also nice and big. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comments if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.